Hello guys, you know what time is it? It's Friday, it's custom day. So today I'm going to be customizing a pair of Nike slides, but I don't know what to customize on them, so I'll just ask my siblings on what to customize. But I don't want to go out of my room, so I'll just DM them because I am lazy. I want it to be avatar themed, so I'm just going to ask them whether they want to.
Water, earth, fire, air.
So I'm just going to change that earth for wood because it's hard. Censor that. Okay, so I just got my first reply from my elder sister, and she said I should do earth. Don't know why she chose that. I don't even like earth. And the second reply just came in from my other sister, and she said earth too. Yes, choose between fire, water, earth, all of them. Which one do you want?
Water.
So I just got the final reply from my sister, and she chose water. So to break the tie between earth and water, I have devised a very specific and complicated plan, which is I am going to flip a coin. Wait. I hope you understand that. But I don't have a coin for some reason. So I made one coin. This is the head with my name, midday, yeah, tails, subscribe. So if it lands on heads, that means for earth, and you have to like this video. But if it lands on tails, that is water, and you have to subscribe. So you saw it yourself. I didn't do that. I wasn't part of it. It landed on subscribe, which means I'm going to be doing water, and you have to subscribe. You just have to. We agreed. You have to subscribe.
Feel like I could rule the world. I know I could be what I want to. Above all, be yourself all the time. Let no one tell you what you can't do. It's all about life and progression, motivation and the lessons, and the lessons that come with it all. And if you feel like quitting, don't stop, keep going, cause you know they love to see you fall. I don't know about you, but I'm trying to ball, cause I ain't had enough and I deserve it all. I put my all in it like a day's off. Oh, let's travel, never looking back. Hold on. Can we switch the language? No fear, only fight. I'm fearless, it's only right. My head's up, I stay strong, forever young. May you live long. With perseverance, hold on and stand tall. Never back down with my back against the wall. Satisfying.
I am done. Okay, so I'm a big fan of how this turned out. Well, you haven't seen it yet, so here it is.
Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up.
Here's the shoe. I'm a big fan of how this turned out, sure. This is a Chinese character for water. Know that. And this is the water tribe symbol wave. Surprisingly, I actually had to browse for this, and I found that this is a Chinese picture, I think, bro. It's the wave of Kanagara. I'm not sure if I pronounced that thing well. I'm only going to do one leg because of I did the right leg, and I don't want to do the left leg because I only want to be right. I don't want to be left. Oh, I even did the left leg safe. That's it for today. See you guys next week, same time, same channel, every Friday. That's it. Bye bye.
Going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going